All right, I'm gonna show you how to take the oil pump out of a chainsaw. You gotta take this off. Take the side cover off. And this will come right off. And you gotta take the clutch off. Like that. Take the bearing out. Back there. You gotta take these screws. There's 4 screws you gotta take off. This is one. And this will come off. The gasket. And you gotta take these 3 out. And then here's the last one. And this will come off. That's your oil pump right here. So you want to take these 2 screws out. There's 1, there's 2. This is your oil pump. It should just pop right out. That's your oil pump. And then this you can get out. Excuse me. Get your pair of needle nose. Pull this out. There's your filter. And then you can just reverse the procedure and you put it back again.